Me. I just wanted to stop and share my latest hair conditioner that I made. It is peppermint. It is all natural. It is filled with vitamins and essential oils that moisturize the hair and restores the vitamin C. Also, vitamin E and aloe vera. Okay, that's what's actually giving it this pearly, beautiful, shiny texture along with the peppermint. So this will be available as a new product on Shea Butter Me website, and you can also have it customized if you want to switch the peppermint to a different essential oil. There's many that we can discuss. So if you're interested, please give us a shout out on Facebook and we will get back in contact with you. Have a wonderful day from Shea Butter Me.